Welcome to Learn Languages YouTube channel. Boost your English vocabulary with 10 essential words every day. Day 1. Let's get started. Number 1. Eloquent. It means fluent or persuasive in speaking or writing. Here are 2 examples. 1. The speaker gave an eloquent presentation on climate change. 2. An eloquent description of the painting. Number 2. Bizarre. It means very strange or unusual. Here are 2 examples. 1. He told a bizarre story about meeting a celebrity in supermarket. 2. That movie has some bizarre scenes. Number 3. Cautious. It means being careful to avoid danger or mistakes. Here are 2 examples. 1. Be cautious when crossing the busy street. 2. We need to be more cautious about our spending now. Number 4. Reluctant. It means unwilling or hesitant. Here are 2 examples. 1. She was reluctant to try skydiving for the first time. 2. He was reluctant to accept the job because it was very challenging. Number 5. Thrilled. It means extremely happy or excited. Here are 2 examples. 1. I was thrilled to hear that I passed the exam. 2. The children were thrilled to see Santa Claus. Number 6. Vivid. It means producing clear, powerful, or detailed images in the mind. Here are 2 examples. 1. He gave a vivid description of his trip to Japan. 2. The colors in the painting are too vivid. Number 7. Ambitious. It means having a strong desire to succeed. Here are 2 examples. 1. She is ambitious and dreams of becoming a doctor. 2. They set ambitious goals for their future business. Number 8. Relentless. It means never giving up, persistent. Here are 2 examples. 1. The team's relentless effort led to their victory. 2. Your relentless pursuit of excellence inspires me. Number 9. Obsolete. It means out of date, no longer in use. Here are 2 examples. 1. Typewriters are now considered obsolete. 2. This old phone is obsolete. Number 10. Generous. It means willing to give or share. Here are 2 examples. 1. He is generous with his time, helping anyone who asks. 2. A generous donation to the charity. Now, let's do a quick recap. Eloquent. Bizarre, cautious, reluctant, thrilled, vivid, ambitious, relentless, obsolete, and generous. Okay, which word was your favorite? Comment below and try to use it in a sentence today. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. See you next time.